Hi, I'm Mark with Accurate Lab, and today we're going to do an installation with the Vulcan. We're going to start with the impulse bands and a zip tie, like this. We will start by applying the impulse bands to the pipe. Get your band secure, and then you will start your wrapping. And you want to make for certain that your impulse bands stay pretty close together. Then we will go to the Vulcan unit itself, and we will strap it down with the zip ties. Place it on your pipe. Halfway home, let's go to the second band, and we'll start the wrapping on it. And again, we will use the zip tie. Okay, now once we have our unit mounted and our bands mounted, then we want to plug in the impulse bands on the other side of the unit. And then we can actually take and snip off the excess zip tie strips so it doesn't look so bad, of course. Then finally, we will attach the 110 adapter to the side of the unit. And then we're ready to plug in for power, and that will conclude the installation on the Vulcan.